Now for the fifth video of our tutorial series, we're gonna apply another feature of our little Utopia corridor. Um, we are gonna make those buildings, um, shape them in a way that those trees that we can see here now come kind of like come inside. You have a space to grow around, and the way that we're gonna do this is using the tool called Boolean, and how this tool works pretty cool. First, what we need to do is come to here to our geometries and standard primitives, and we are gonna make two cylinders. To facilitate, let's come here to the front view and see here. For example, you can see like a good part of those trees here and here are kind of like inside of the building. We want to create space for them. So let's say we want this kind of space for them. You can see the cylinder there, and from there we're now gonna give some dimension. Yep. Um, as you remember, I think our whole corridor is like something around 240, but let's give like 300. And now let's move to this cylinder, take up all the corridor. Let's come back here to edges to see better. Good. And let's go back to front view, because now we're gonna copy this cylinder to create a second one. So we come to the moving tool and shift and copy, yes. So we create the second one here. And what we want to do now is use those cylinders to cut some of the volume of those buildings. And for that, we're going to use the Boolean tool. So we come here, standard primitives and compound object, Boolean. We have this cylinder selected, which was not good. Let's come back and select the buildings and then press Boolean, yes. And now we're gonna add operands. And the operands that we're gonna add are actually the two objects that we created, the two cylinders, yep, yep. So we have now those two here in this list, and what we're gonna to do is subtract them. See, we did a little subtraction of those cylinders in the buildings that we have. Come here and select the other one, subtract, and then we have this. If you come back here and to see better the trees, you can see that now they have a lot of space to grow in between the buildings. So this is one of the ideas that we have for our little Utopia. Buildings that are actually built around the trees and not the trees around the building. So this is our fifth tutorial. See you guys for the next one.